Hello everyone and welcome back to McDougall Cottage. Today we're going to be talking about tea. Now tea is a very popular drink worldwide and its long history is steeped in myth and mystery. It's likely that the tea plant originated in regions around southwest China, Tibet and northern India and was originally used primarily for medicinal purposes.
It is believed that Scotland's relationship with tea started in the early 1600s when it was formally introduced to the country by the Duchess of York, Mary of Modena. Its popularity grew as women perceived it as a genteel drink, and later many Scots went to India and Ceylon, now Sri Lanka, to start and run tea estates. One of the most recognizable brands, Lipton, was started by Scottish citizen Thomas Lipton. Lipton became the first to sell tea to the public at low prices and was one of the first to create a specific brand of tea that would be the same everywhere it was sold. Although the most popular blend of tea is English breakfast, it was actually created in Scotland. According to legend, it was invented in Edinburgh, Scotland by a Scottish tea master. Queen Victoria was fond of all things Scottish and popularized the blend in England.
In addition to being a soothing and healthy drink, hot or cold, tea can be used in numerous ways. As a beauty treatment, to soothe bug bites, as an artist's medium, and as a household cleaner, just to name a few. Today, Hamish and I are going to be showing you how to use tea in cooking, and we're going to be making a classic Scottish tea loaf. The first step when making your tea loaf is to take 2/3 of a cup of currants, 3/4 of a cup of raisins, 3/4 of a cup of sultanas, and 1 1/4 cups of soft dark brown sugar. Over that, you pour 10 ounces of hot, black, strong tea and cover it and let it sit on the counter overnight. Once the fruit mixture has sat overnight in the tea and the raisins have started to plump up, you're going to add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 egg beaten. And all we're going to do is just mix this up to make the batter. Once the batter is thoroughly mixed, you're going to pour it into a greased or parchment-lined loaf pan. And now we're ready to pop our loaf into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 60 to 65 minutes. And there you have it, an easy Scottish tea loaf to enjoy with some butter and a nice soothing cup of tea. Thanks for joining us again today here at McDougall Cottage, and happy baking!